Hi, I'm in my room, and I just wanted to know why does Sprite makes you burp a lot. As you can see, I love green. I'm obsessed with green. I have green cover, green bed, walls, green, walls light green. My lamps green. I'm trying to get the bulb in my room green. See, hold up, I got a burp. Yeah, so I don't even know why it makes you burp a lot. That's just one thing that I feel. I'm so sorry I have to keep burping. Um, yeah, it's just Sprite is so good because I have to get some more. Anyways, yeah. Oh, my hair is a mess. Tomorrow we get to go find a dress for my mom's conference. She's having this big conference, so yeah. She's gonna have Eric Strickland there from the Mavericks. So yeah. Looking forward to Miss Texas. So yeah. Saturday. So yeah. If you want to know more about, contact me at, I don't even know where it's at. I think it's right here. I think it's right here, somewhere right there. Yeah. A go-go to me. What? A go-go to me. Contact me, message me,